I was on, I couldn't watch the time, so.
Oh, okay. Okay, makes sense. You didn't miss anything. Now,
What happens for me is I have an alarm for like every single like important thing. I have one for school start, for lunch, for PE, for the midday school. And what I usually do is in the beginning or like when you just start, I keep on watching YouTube until the Zoom starts.
yeah, for y'all that don't, or some of y'all that forget, yeah, setting alarms like Anello, that's smart. I have like a million alarms and I still forget. Like with Elizabeth, I had her RI alarm set, but then I turned it off when we went to Christmas break. That's why I forgot to send her the other day. It's my bad. But anyways, Natalie, you're gonna do that first row?
All my alarms off for Christmas break.
Try.
I don't have a single
60.
60. Okay, what's next?
10.
10. Next.
24.
Next.
48.
Next.
45.
You want to keep going?
No, I'm fine.
Vida, do the next one. Number 2. Mariah's not here.
6. 44. 27. 21. And 33.
Next, you doing next?
I'll go next.
Go ahead. Miss, I'm late. Call you late. I'm gonna change your name to Miss Late.
30, 24, 80, 12, and 120.
Bingo. Daniel, do number 4. Come on, Daniel. I know you can do it.
Number 4. 63. 32. And then there's 36.
There you go.
9, 10, and you can have someone else do it.
Manello, do the next one.
I accidentally pressed stop video. So which one is it? The 5th. 1730.
What?
Oh. Wait, which one? It was on that one. So 1730.
Wait. What's that?
Oh, it's 77. It looks like 17 because my one got with the little bar. It got even with the bar. 2, 15, and 79. Oh no, 99. No, 90.
Whew. Okay, that was a little rusty. Let me see what else I
I
can.
have bad spelling. Bad handwriting.
Let's see. I think that's it. I see Chris with the football. Huh. All right, I think we'll stop right there. That's pretty good. Pretty good. All right, let's move on to what do we got? Problem solving? Is that what we do? I always forget what we do next. Problem solving. Problem solving, page 17. Page 17. Page 17. Put page 17. I can't see it. Page 17. Ooh. Oh, this one's hard.
No.
This one's hard.
I don't like hard stuff. If the teacher says it's hard, then it's going to be hard.
You don't have any more
Well, it's probably easy for you because, I mean, you're a teacher, but
work?
Oh, because when I was doing this math, there's like no easy way to do this type of problem. Like there's no easy that I know of. So I remember Miss Rodriguez was in here last year, I think it was. And we were trying to do this math, or no, maybe Miss Hackey. Somebody was in here though. And we were trying to do this math. There's like no easy way around doing this. Like you've got to do a lot of work. Somehow in that little space. Okay. Everybody's on page 7.
I just see 2 of the worst words. It says which could.
Could, yes, that's a key word there. Could. Who joined in our meeting? Or who left? I think it was, wasn't it? Page
It was
17.
Miss Rodriguez. That's who joined.
Oh, Miss Rodriguez. Yeah.
Okay, I want you to count.
Hi. I'm back.
Okay. We're doing problem solving and then we'll go on to skills. So
Okay. Let me get the binder out. Let me get my binder out.
So what number is that? 1.
19.
Number.
skills and
You want
problem.
to count this last one?
Solving. Okay.
We're working on problem solving.
What number do you start?
Okay.
You always start with what? 1. 4. That one 4. So which side has 2 boxes that are the same? You have a 5 and a 4.
Got it.
You have 4 and 4. Which side has the ones that are the same? The first side or the second side? That has this. Which one?
Nella, is anybody trying to do this right now?
This one. 4 and 4 or 5 and 4? You have to point. I don't understand what this one is. You have to pick one. I see them, but which side? Use your finger. Point to it. Which one?
The only right one.
All right, Charlie, go to the breakout room. All right, so Anela said I saw some of the some hard words in there. Could be. So a worker for the pest control.
I didn't say hard words. I said annoying words.
Annoying word. I guess that would be a better. Yeah. A worker for the pest control company sprayed 3 buildings for insects. The least amount of spray he used was 9.8 liters on the second building. The greatest amount he used was 12.77 liters on the first building, which could be the total amount of liquid spray he used in the 3 buildings. I forgot how I attacked this one the last time. Oh. I guess you could do a strip diagram. Oh no. I'm trying to think of how I did it because I solved it.
Here, this is a weird question. Because first of all, it says the greatest is 12.77 liters. Oh, it says a total of all of them.
So total of all, then what do we
I
need?
just said what was the last one? I'm like, it doesn't make sense because 12.77 liters is the biggest, and none of them are less than it.
Okay, so we're looking for the total amount he could have sprayed. What does total mean?
Add.
We're gonna add. So what are we gonna add first? We only have a couple of numbers in there, I guess. What are we gonna add? Yes, total means add.
Yeah.
What, Emma?
Yeah. Add.
We add, yes. What numbers are we adding?
We are adding 9.8.
Yep, 9.88. And then
12.77.
let's add these together. What do we get first? I need everybody paying attention to these because these are challenging problems. If we're using, I'm going to draw this up here so you can see it. So the least amount he used was 9.88. So we'll have our number line, I guess. So the smallest he used was 9.88 and the largest was 12.77. And we're trying to find the third amount. It has to be between those 2 numbers. So let's add these together first. What do you get when we add these together? Who's added them already? 57. 23.57. Is that what it is? 23.57? You can tell I'm tired. No. 22. Sorry. What Doug get?
The answer we got?
Right here. On this, yeah, when we added these.
Oh, 22.57.
7, 5, here, 1. Okay. Okay. But now we have to figure out what number is going to go between these 2. So, we have our 2 totals, but we need our third missing one. What should
I
we
know what the answer is.
send it to me in the chat?
Okay.
Let me see if you got it right. What answer choice can we get rid of already that we know is not going to be? Okay, good job, Vanilla.
B.
Get rid of
Look, you're gonna
B?
get the belt.
Yeah, because it's too high.
What? No. Our number is between what two numbers?
9.8 and 12.77.
12.77, right?
So
What do we do with these numbers and this number to figure out our third number? We're gonna look for the missing piece.
the missing piece.
How did you work this out? I want to see if you can explain it to me a different way to where it's not as challenging the way I'm thinking it. How did you figure it out? When you got here, what was your next step? What was your thought process for the next step? I'm trying to explain maybe how y'all would think, not how I would think.
Me?
No.
No.
Wait, who are you asking?
You. So when you got here, what was your thought process for the next part? How you got your answer? Because you did get it right. What did you think? What were you thinking?
I was thinking that since I didn't subtract anything. I just did in my head. Since it was 22, the main number was 22, and I said it didn't have. It could still be 12, but it didn't. It just has to be lower with like the. It could still be 12. It just has to be lower with the decimals. So I looked at all the answers, and I said 29. It's too little. It's behind 9.8. So I thought it was wrong.
Okay, you probably did mental math.
37 is too much. It's higher than 12.77.
Mental math. So what
Yeah.
you have to do once you get your total here is you got to go and subtract each one of these from there and see if your difference gets between here. Pay attention. So like on number 1, we can get rid of A, right? Because we know if we subtract these two numbers, they're the same number. You're going to get 0, correct?
Yes.
So we can get rid of that. Let's do our next one. 34 point. I need y'all to do this. 0.10 minus 22.57. And let's see if our number is between 9.8. I'm going to put my 0 up there. 9.80 and 12.77. What do you get when you subtract these two? What do you get when you subtract these two? Somebody tell me. What do you?
Are you asking someone? Or
You can help me solve it if you want to.
okay, because I didn't solve anything. I just got the answer right. But because I knew both the answers wrong, I checked it, and it came out as 12. But then I thought to myself, if none of the answers are right, neither of them, all of them, are right, and this 12 can still be lower than that 77 decimal.
So let's see. Daniel, come on, let's work this out. I know you know how to work it out. Let's do. We have 0? Can we take away 7?
Nope. We need a bar from 1.
Okay, there we go. We got 10 minus 7 is what?
10 minus 7 is 3.
Come on.
And then 5 from 0, not possible. Go to the 4, take away. Yep. And then 10 minus 5 is half. And then 3 minus 2 is 1. And then 3 minus 2 is 1.
So is that number right there in between those two numbers?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes, because it's like
Right, it is. So what's our answer?
the answer is 34.10.
Yes, there you go. Good job. There's really no easy way around this problem. So let's
I mean, if you don't have to check every single answer, if you already have the
Do
answer.
you think you're gonna put your answer as either A or B a lot of times? Probably not. That's why it's a lot of work, because some of y'all won't do all that work to get the
It's
answer.
a lot of work because you don't get A, B, or C correct, then you'll have to check all of them.
Exactly.
And it will take forever and it'll probably take up your space.
They said it was supposed to rain today, and it's not even gonna rain. All right, let's do the next one. Sarah bought 3 items, so like we did up above, think about what we did earlier. The greatest amount she spent was $32.48 for a new pair of jeans. The least amount, oh, let me write it up here on my number 9. The greatest she spent was $32.48. The least she spent on the new blouse, which is the shirt, if y'all didn't know, $24.95. So our numbers got to be between in this space somewhere. Which could be the total amount Sarah paid for the 3 items? What do we need to do first?
So it's definitely not.
Subtract.
Not subtract.
Never mind.
What do we do first?
Hey, I know. I think I know what we can take out.
Wait, hold on. What do we do first? I need to know our first step.
We subtract 24.95 and 32.48.
What did we do earlier? What did we do first earlier? We're looking at our total.
We added.
We added. We added. Yeah, we added first. That's our first step because we're trying to find our total that she paid for these 2 items. Slow down.
Forgot we were adding.
All right, what do we get when we add these? What do we get when we add these? Jumpy, jump, jump, jump. What do we get when we add these?
I'll work it out.
Go ahead.
So 8 plus 5 is 12.
Oh, whoa. Try that again. You're close. 13. There you go. Plus 1. Okay.
And then 4 plus 9 is 13. Plus 1 more is 14.
All right. Got to carry my 1 again. All right.
And then 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus 1 more is 7.
Okay. Man, I'm yawning like nobody's business.
And 3 plus 2 is 5. And then
That's it. Okay. So this is how much she paid for 2 items. And knowing that, what No Way Jose can you get rid of because you know it's not our answer.
F.
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 And also G because it's too high.
B, it's too high. How do you know it's too high?
Because it's at 90. And that's almost to 100.
I'm trying to think. Maybe you could have rounded this and it got been a little bit easier. I don't know. But let's see. Natalie says get rid of
He's a little bit bigger than 32.
90. I'm gonna do. Natalie is correct in getting rid of it, but let me just check to make sure that 90 is too big.
Do we have to write that?
By 1 digit. By one whole.
9, 11, 7, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, Natalie is right. That is too big, right?
This is barely though, barely.
Okay, let's do the next one. Yeah, just barely, but it is too big. So we're gonna subtract now $85.31 minus our number here, 57.43.
I'll work it out again, and yeah. 1 minus 3, not possible. Take away from the other 3, and then the 1 becomes 10. 11. And then 11 minus 3 is 8.
I'm gonna bring it on my.
And then 2 minus 4 is not possible, so you borrow from the 5. You have to do so many bars.
I gotta borrow from everything on this one.
And 12 minus 4, that's also 8. And then 4 minus 7 is also not possible, so you borrow from the 8 like we did with everything else.
Hey, it's been
And then
hey.
Here, leave my class.
18 minus 7
7
is 7. And then 7 minus 5 is 2.
So is that in between those two numbers?
Yup.
Is that number in between 24? Or even if you just round it up, is 27 or 28 between 24 and 32?
Yes.
Yup.
That's what I was thinking. Maybe you could round on it. I don't know. Well, I don't know because if we would have
Are
rounded,
both of my answers right?
I don't think rounding would be as well.
I don't think it would be as effective because that was really close to that one. I don't know. I should have worked it out before. I wonder. Wait, let me.
Actually, I can't believe that 90.15 minus 57.43 equals 32.72.
It doesn't seem like it would, right? Hold on. I'm rounding it right now to see if you could round like that and it would be the same thing. No, wait, no. 90. We'll do 90 minus 57.
Those questions were easy.
I guess you could have
What are
rounded.
you talking about?
Look, I rounded for the one for 90 right here, and I just rounded my two numbers. I rounded that one up to 25, and then I rounded that one down to 32, and I added, and I got 57. I know it's kind of hard to see. And then I just rounded this number down to 90, so 90 minus 57 is 33, and that's too much. So I guess you could round, technically.
It just kind of wouldn't
How do
really.
you round again? I forgot.
Except you wouldn't get the most accurate answer.
It wouldn't give you the most accurate, but that was really close. So that's why I wanted to see if I rounded, if it would still be wrong. Because if it would have been
How do
rounding.
you round? I forgot.
Okay, quick lesson on rounding. Hold on. We're off topic, but rounding's always.
It's kind of easy for me, actually.
We'll say 478, and we're gonna round to the hundreds place. So this number right here is gonna tell me, does the 4 go up or go down? So is it?
Goes down.
Wait. The 7's gonna tell me if the 4 goes up or down. So 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest or stay the same.
Let it rest.
So if the 7 is it more than 5? Is what you gotta.
Well, the 7 is more than 5.
So then you would round the 4 up, or are you gonna let it stay the same?
Stay the same.
So 5 or more, you told me is, so you told me 7's more than 5. So there's the little rhyme, 5 or more, raise the score, 4 or less, let it rest. So you would round it, technically you would round it up. Technically that is, you would round it up to 500. Everything behind,
Oh, now I know.
let's try another one real fast. Let's do 972.
7 tells me that will be going to 1,000.
Yes.
Yeah, it would go to 1,000. What about one more? I know we're off topic here, but one.
Actually, this is pretty fun.
So that number, and then are you gonna round up or are you gonna round down?
Damn.
Down because 18 is less than 50.
All right. Anyways, let's move on. Quick rounding lesson. Dun 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 dun. 19. Oh, we've done a bunch of these already. We'll do
What page is this?
page 73. I don't see Natalie V here, page 73. Remember, you're going to want recess, and if we're not participating, we're not getting recess. Page 73.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll do these two with y'all, and then y'all will do the rest by yourself. But let's do A first.
Miss Hernandez.
Yes.
I have to be right back because my mom's calling me.
Okay, fine. Our rules.
Right
here.
here.
Eye doctors. I love going to the eye doctors. I need to go to the eye doctors, actually.
I love to go to the eye doctor.
I've actually only been like once. So.
I haven't been to the eye doctor in like, I don't know, a year.
Whenever I didn't have glasses, I was
my eyes
so
are fine.
excited to get glasses.
I
But
have
now,
eye doctor since I was probably like 16. When I was getting my driver's license, so I was 16.
whenever I didn't have glasses, I was so excited to get some glasses. But
I was excited to get glasses.
Excited to get glasses.
All right, let's see. Eye doctor. So a number put in the function machine changes according to the rule. So we need to look at our function. Which best describes the rule for the machine? So we're looking this way. Are we increasing? Or are we decreasing?
Increasing.
Ooh, I like whose voice. Was that Natalie V? Was that you?
Yes,
Where'd you come from? I had just said you were not here.
I'm here.
Maybe you just popped up. I wasn't paying attention. Well, because I had just said, right, Emma was like, Natalie V's not here. So we
Yeah.
are increasing. So what two operations are we going to do if we're increasing?
We're going to multiply or add.
Bingo, multiply, or we are going to add. What can we get rid of? I think there's only one No Way Jose we can get rid of.
Yeah, you can get rid of a G.
What?
I mean, gosh, I
Oh.
was so down there. You get rid of a B.
B. Okay, yeah, B. Good job. Since this has decimals on this side, I'm going to go put decimals over here with these numbers just to make it
Okay, I'm back.
make it easier. So we're gonna add, say, number n plus 0.6. What are we gonna add 0.6 to? Which number? You can tell me which number.
7.
7. Bingo. So 7 plus 0.6. Line up my decimals. What do I get?
7.6.
Is that what we got on the other side? No way, Jose. Another trick of the trade. Have we learned how to multiply with decimals?
Yep.
What?
No, I have. We have.
When?
That's the same thing.
Yeah, because you just have to multiply decimals. Pretty easy.
I don't think we've learned to multiply decimals before.
Yeah, but that's adding is the same thing, except you just you'd have to add it more.
I'm not talking about adding, but multiplying. Have we learned how to do this in
No,
Fortran?
we haven't, because we just learned.
I
how to
already
add
found the
decimals.
answer.
Have we
I already found the answer.
done any of this in Fortran with decimals?
No, we haven't, because we just learned adding and
I
subtracting.
already found the answer.
No.
I
Emma says we have not done this. Hold on, Daniel. Emma says we have
Even if we did, it would get the totally wrong answer.
we just learned to add and subtract decimals, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
Would that answer choice be our answer? Multiplying decimals. Think about it. Probably not, right?
No.
No.
the
So technically,
Anyway.
we have two no way ways.
answer I put it.
Daniel. Yeah, we have not learned this. I think you learned this in 5th grade. So if y'all want to know.
What? That's kind of crazy. Actually, wait, no, that's just 1 grade.
I was thinking the
Sixth
same
and
thing.
And
That
B
5th
is
graders are the ones that see this.
Yeah. I think it's 5th
So
grade.
we're done with all the skills because he could not find the problem solving
Oh,
page.
that was the hard part. Shirley, you looked
I
at
know.
I think you were in here last year when you were trying that problem solving. We were trying to figure
Yeah.
out ways to do that.
Oh, so he's got all the answers. So let him engage.
Okay.
Hopefully he'll engage. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Let's see. B.
B is increased.
Daniel says it's increasing. Do y'all agree with Daniel? Thumbs up, head shake. Daniel says it's increasing if we're looking this way. I want to hear 2 people solidify his answer. And support him.
It is increasing.
I've got one. I need another person. Somebody
I'm the other person. It's increasing.
is it or is it not? I don't know. I hear one person. I need one more.
I'm the other person.
I need one more. I want 3 people.
Okay.
Where's Natalie B? Natalie B. Somebody else. Do y'all agree?
Somebody thinks it's increasing?
Oh, was that you, Vita? No, that was Emma. Still.
Yeah, it's increasing.
Thank you. I needed one more. Okay, increasing. So we're gonna do what or what?
Plusing. adding,
Plus or
and
multiply.
All
We
right.
can eliminate G and J. Wait, no, not J.
Yay.
Just G and H.
Wait, hold on. Hold on.
And it's
It's hard.
great because we're not multiplying decimals.
So Emma says J because we're not multiplying
Like decimals, that's why.
If we ever multiply decimals in here, and I can tell you, you will not do multiplying decimals in 4th grade. So we can get rid of J. I'm helping y'all out. So 5.0, 13.0, 9.0. I'm gonna give y'all a couple minutes to figure this one out.
This is kind of hard.
It's adding and subtracting decimals. Yep,
Hard.
this one.
It's hard.
It is not hard.
Okay, it's not hard. It's just a lot of work.
I'm telling you, that's why those problem solvings were not easy.
I've already found my answer.
Send it to me in the chat.
I got my answer too.
Privately. Privately. I don't want everybody to get the answer. Shouldn't have the answer because I need them to solve.
Private chat the answer.
See, Senora. Private chat me your answer.
I sent my answer.
That's okay.
Okay, okay.
Be done with 2, 1, and B.
Ow.
Okay, I'll private chat you my answer. I don't think it's correct.
Okay, okay. Let's add here and see. I think she's
Is my
my
answer correct?
my lunch box. All right, I'm gonna use my little index card to add. All right, so we're gonna add. You're gonna add 9.4 to what number? 5.0 or 12.13? Which one are you adding 9.4 to?
5.0.
5.0 plus 9.4. Do you see how I lined up my decimals
Yes.
beautifully?
Yes, you did it beautifully.
I did. What do we get when we add these two numbers?
4 and 14, which is 14.4.
Is that what's on this side?
No,
No.
so it's H.
Okay, why do I have a random timer at 1:15? It is H. Yay!
Yay!
Yes! All right, H for y'all. I got it right. Most of y'all had it right, I think. 1.
It's decreasing.
Daniel says it's decreasing, and I
Ah,
agree with him. I certainly agree with him.
what's the zoom?
Decreasing! What can we get rid of if it's decreasing? Decreasing, I'll put a D here. Oh, wait.
Oh, what we can get rid of, if it's decreasing, we can get rid of B and D if it's decreasing.
All right, once again, I'm going to go put my decimals behind my numbers. 27.0, 31.0, 25.0. I'm going to take away 15.5 from what number? The input number or the output number? The input number or the output number? What am I taking away 15.5 from? I know you are solving, that's why you are answering.
Wait, we're doing the whole page?
What? Come on, you are working very well.
Okay.
So what are we taking 15.5 away from? Which number? The input number?
7.0.
7.0. Please achieve. You are awake. Okay. Right here. So
Ready for my answer.
27.0 minus 15.5. If I have $0 and my friend Natalie wants to borrow $5, do I have any money to give her? Do I have enough money to give her? If I've got $0, do I have enough money to give my friend?
Ooh, you gotta pay her.
Do I? If I have 0, can I give her 5?
No.
No.
Do. 6, that becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is what? What's 10 minus 5? So, Jen, unless you're going to answer this, leave the screen alone.
Well, I don't know.
What's 10 minus 5? Somebody answer.
Oh,
10 minus 5 is 5.
6 minus 5 is 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1.
Is that
I
what?
can do the whole thing for you, but I didn't know you were asking us.
Yes. Because see, if you would not borrow from over there, because this is what some of y'all would do, 27.0 minus 15.5, and don't tell me, no, I won't do that. 5, 2, 1. Would you get your right answer if you don't borrow? You would. Pay attention. So, you get rid of that one. What's our answer? What's our answer? Good, Greg. See, neither. What was you? Yay! Let me start y'all out on the next.
No, I thought I got it wrong at first because I picked H, but I thought it was wrong for a second.
We're on this one. C, you meant, right? Let's look at number 2. Increasing or decreasing? I'm going to start y'all. Y'all are going to work it out by yourself. Increasing or decreasing on number 2?
We are
Increase.
increasing. No, I'm just kidding. It's increasing.
Ma'am?
I'm just kidding.
I agree with Emma. It is increasing.
Okay. Let me set my timer for a couple of minutes. Let's see what y'all get.
All right.
All right. Start. Timers for everything. Coffee in here.
I could already tell you that G and H are not a.
Oh, remember, put 2.0, 8.0. We need to line up our decimals. We don't go anywhere if they're not lined up. Sanitizer. Got spray sanitizer. Cucumber melon, bro. Spray it all over my body.
I got my answer. Got my answer. Got my answer. I got my answer.
Oh. Woo, we're done. Let's see. All right, what can we get rid of first? I want to get rid of one no way Jose because
One no way, Jose.
what is it? Oh, I didn't even check my chat. You really probably said
Actually, there are 2 no way Jose's.
you say 2. Is there 2?
There's one.
There's only
Yes, yes, there are 2 because the output says 9 and there's
all that.
0.1.
So let's get rid of. We said G. All right.
G and H.
Let's see. Hold on. So what number are we gonna?
That's a good point.
What number are we gonna add 11.9 to? 2.0 or 13.1? Okay, Angelina. What are we gonna add 11.9 to? I need to know that y'all understand this part.
Add 11.9 to 2.0.
So let me line up my numbers here. 11.1 plus 2.0. Okay. Got 9.
And then 9 plus 0 is 9. 11 plus 2 is, yeah. And
Do I stop here or do I do another one?
do another because you never know when they might trick you.
Never know when they might trick you. So 11.9 goes on top again. And then 8.0.
8.0. 9 plus 0 is 9.
Sorry. Keep going.
It matches. And let's try 4.0.
Why am I tired? Oh, because I didn't sleep very well last night. That's why. Bingo, we found our answer.
Yep. Which is what I enchant that I sent privately to Mr. Hernandez.
Thank you, Daniel. You did. Okay, let's move on. Our
Wait,
concept.
I don't think I sent any of the answers. I just sent.
That's fine. Y'all can check them. I didn't ask y'all. I don't think I asked y'all to send them.
I just answered them, but I didn't send it.
I just answered them like, I don't know. I haven't been paying attention like 10 minutes ago.
I didn't ask y'all to send them. I think I just said for y'all to solve them. Oh, my refrigerator's nice and warm.
Oh, I like this.
Page 161. Trust me, there's not a lot of math on here, but I'm gonna stretch it out. Oh, well, beans and cheese. I thought we'd have more time. I guess we do. So I made a Google slideshow. Before we start, find page 161 real fast, and then I'm gonna have Emma's beautiful voice, as always, read to us. As y'all find that page, please. 161. Uno seis uno. Is it? I don't know how to say it in Spanish. Cien?
My parents told me I self-taught myself how to count from 1 to 10 in Spanish when I was little.
I can count. Oh, here we are. Here we are. 161. Everybody's on page 161?
Yes.
Present.
Objective. I can explain how to decompose, break apart.
Wait. Let me make it big. Okay, now you can go.
Whoa.
Go.
Objective. I can explain how to decompose, break apart a fraction. I can explain how to add and subtract fractions with the same denominators.
Bingo. Okay, before we get started, I'm going to give y'all a quick warm-up because I want to see how much y'all learned this week.
A warm-up.
A warm-up, yeah, we're going to have a warm-up for math.
Okay.
It's going to be related to your math in a second, you'll see. We're going to do, we're subtracting today. Give y'all, all right.
Oh, yeah, subtracting is actually pretty fun. Next thing you know, we're going to be multiplying fractions.
Grab my fractions off.
Wait, is that even possible? Multiplying fractions?
Yeah, that might be a fifth grade skill.
Whoa, I never knew multiplying fractions.
You're going to ask me in a second, how do I do this? Okay, so I've got one big fraction here. Y'all see that? Y'all
That
see?
is really big.
All right, that is a really big fraction. All right. Might come as a surprise to y'all. If y'all were in school, I'm about the size of some of y'all. I'm not very tall, I'll tell you that much. Some of y'all may be taller than me, actually. Okay, 1 minus 1/2. What do I get when I subtract 1 whole minus
1/2.
1/2.
What?
1/2.
What?
1/2.
Oh, you're smart. You're smart.
1
Wednesday.
singular half.
Y'all want to play? Let's see. Let's test y'all again. I got 1.
Let's play a game, a quiz. Let's play a game quiz.
How much y'all learned this week so far?
Game quiz, game quiz, game quiz.
I am quizzing.
One day you should make like a PowerPoint, and you should make like a math game quiz.
Maybe I'll try that tonight. Sounds like a good idea. Okay, I got 1 whole minus 1, 2. If I'm taking these 3 away, how much am I left with? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I hear some crickets. I hear some crickets.
Hold on.
So how many fourths does it take to make a whole?
4.
4. And if I take away 3, what am I left with?
1/4.
So we're gonna take away. Okay. It takes
1/4.
so it takes 4 of these to make a whole, correct? Y'all see that?
Yes.
If I want to take away 3 from my 1, how many am I left with?
3/4. I mean 1/4. 1/4. What am I saying?
Woo, child, you are good. I want to do another one. Let's do another one.
I made a stress ball out of tissues.
So 1 whole.
3, 2, 3. 3. Wait, no.
So how many thirds?
2
Somebody.
3s. 2 3s.
Wait, what page is this?
2 3s.
And we're gonna take. We have 1, and we're taking away. I think I said 1. How many thirds does it take, first of all, to make a whole?
3.
Thirds.
3. And if I take away, I said what? 1. Emma, is that what I said? And I take away 1. What am I left with on my?
2 3.
We'll use this as a shaded part. And I take away 1. What am I left with?
2 3.
Thirds. Bingo.
What page is this?
161. Oh, I need the hexagon.
That was a nice quiz. I liked it.
Of course you did. Of course you would like that quiz. Because I like.
I like math, but it depends on what subject we're doing.
Oh, you're choking. Okay. I like videos. Y'all know I like. Keep your cameras on too. Or we're gonna work. We got 15 minutes.
Did we watch a number? Is there a song? I don't know if we watched the song too.
Oh, I didn't get to show y'all earlier the Among Us video. Oops. Right. Adding is
There's an Among Us one.
Gonna find something. Adding and
Stephen Hawking transformation from 1 years old to 76 years old.
I want like a song.
Yeah, they don't. There's no. Well,
There's number rock, but remember it has like the unlike denominators.
oh yeah.
Seen that number rock one. How do you guys know about it?
I wish there's a song.
Let's see what this one. I haven't watched this one.
Loading for you. It's loud.
Good morning, students.
Good
Today,
morning,
let us
students.
revise adding and subtracting like fractions with a few examples. Add fractions 3/6 and 1/6.
Oh, what's our answer? Quick.
4 6.
Oh, y'all are slower than molasses. Come on.
Since they are like fractions, we have to add
How dare y'all
just the
interrupt.
numerators, 3 and 1, which is equal to 3 plus 1/6 is equal to 4/6. Remember, to add fractions with same denominators, that is, like fractions, just add the numerators and retain the denominator as it is while adding them. Now, let us subtract the fractions 5/11 and 4/11. As these are like fractions, We subtract
Oh, beans and
only
cheese.
the numerator. Therefore,
What's our answer? 5 11s minus 4 11s.
111.
We only subtract our numerators because our denominators are the same.
5 upon 11 minus 4 upon 11 is equal to 5 minus 4 upon 11, which is equal to 1 upon 11. Remember, to subtract fractions with same denominators, that is, like fractions, just subtract the numerators and retain the denominator as it is while subtracting them. Wow, wasn't it quick and easy revising addition and subtraction of like fractions?
So lovely. All right, let's get on with our skills. Page, what page was it? 161?
Skills?
Did I say skills? Oh, I was writing down skills. That's why I said that.
Skills. I'm like,
Skills.
skills.
Page 161. Because I was writing it down. Ah, I have the, oh, it's almost the same size. We're subtracting. I have this wonderful hexagon here. How many parts am I going to divide my hexagon into? Pay attention. How many parts am I going to divide my hexagon into? Anybody there? Whoop, over there.
6.
6. Natalie V, was that you?
Yeah, that was me.
LED.
We're going to divide it into 6. Hopefully I can get this right. How did I do it the last time? I should probably use my erasable pen here. Last time I messed up. So 6. So do. All right. So we got 1 6, 1 6, 1 6. I know some of you are either. Do I have to draw the picture? Yes, you have to draw the picture. And we're subtracting here. Remember, your fraction with the bigger numerator goes up front. So how many am I going to shade in here? How many pizza slices did I start with first? Right here. Come on, crickets. Huh? Crickets. Here, how many pizza slices did I start with? They gypped me. They didn't give me a whole pizza. Is anybody out there? Come on, y'all are gonna want recess in 10 minutes. Oh, good job. All right, there we go.
2, 6, 8,
5.
6.
I'm gonna use these little pieces. And how many am I taking away?
You're taking away 2 6.
2 6. Okay.
And then you're left with 3 6.
Left with 3 6. Bingo. Hopefully with this little squares it makes a little more sense. Or we can do it up here like I did. Gonna make
Did we shade the square in? I forgot if we did. Did we shade the square in? I forgot.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can shade it in like this. So you would shade in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is what I'm doing on both of these. 1, 2, 3, 5. And then we're taking away 2.
Wait,
So
no,
I'm
wait,
gonna cross out,
no.
and we are left with 3 6. What does 3 6 equal? Daniel, I know you know what it equals. You can reduce it down.
Oh, what? Okay,
Did we shade in the whole hexagon or half of the hexagon?
half.
Half. So you could also equal 1/2. That's, you don't need to know that, but it also equals 1/2.
Yeah, equals 1/2
It does.
of the hexagon.
Of the hexagon, yes. Yeah.
Makes sense.
That wasn't problem solving. That was, yes, it is problem solving. Next one, how many parts am I going to divide my hexagon into this time? Who is leaving my meeting?
Yay, it's almost recess.
Oh, now we're working this poorly right now. How many parts am I going to divide my hexagon into?
I already finished all of them.
3.
3. So
3, and you're going to
like
put on 2, 3, things.
Do it wrong. Luckily for this pen. How do you make thirds? I forgot. Brain fart.
2 3s minus 1 3.
Wait, I did it wrong. I guess it doesn't really matter because that is thirds. Completely green.
It doesn't matter if it's even or not.
It does to me. It's gonna bother me. Oh, that's exactly what I just did, didn't I? Oh no, I put my line over there. Okay, 1/3. It doesn't matter if it's equal, but it's erasable pens have been a lifesaver. 1/3. 1/3. 1/3. 1/3. Okay, here's my. How many am I shading in? How many am I shading in?
You're shading in 2/3.
Take
And
away
removing 1/3.
And what am I left with that's shaded in? I guess I should.
1/3.
Third. You're only gonna subtract your numerators because our denominators are the same. You're shaded in 2 and we take away 1.
All right, I'm done.
Of course you are. Sit here and help me. We take away 1, we take away 1, we're left with 1/3.
You take away 1.
How many parts am I going to divide my hexagon into? My next part.
Divide it into 6 parts. That's like we did for the first hexagon.
6 parts. Our denominator tells us how many
Shade
parts.
in 4.
Daniel says we shade in 4. Do y'all agree with Daniel? No? Maybe so? Daniel's going to have a nice recess.
Daniel's definitely getting recess.
Sometimes y'all participate and then y'all don't participate.
And then you take away 3.
We shaded how many? Sorry, I didn't shade mine in.
Shade in
Sometimes people have like a blast in the morning and like they're like just going through the sky.
take away 3.
In 4. We're shading in 4. This numerator tells us how many we're shading in.
And then
Natalie V.
other
Hear me, you're there. How many am I taking away? I'm shading over here, I guess. How many I shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. Natalie B. Natalie B. I haven't heard you either. Crickets? Oh man. It's gonna be Daniel, the only one.
Cricket, cricket, cricket.
Natalie B. I know that's you, isn't it?
Yeah, it's Natalie B.
I heard you. So how many
Yeah.
are you taking away?
We're taking away. I can't really see the bottom.
Oh, my bad. No worries. My bad. Yeah, let me know. Right there. Sorry. How many am I taking away?
3. 3 away from 4.
Away from 4. And what am I left with? 1 what?
1 6.
1 6. Take away 3.
yes, you are left with 1 6. I agree with Natalie.
Right. Most definitely. Since we have like denominators, we only subtract our numerators. Y'all understand that? Y'all finish the backside too?
No.
Okay. Backside is trickier, but we already did one of the problems.
Your three design, it looks like a cube, like a floating cube.
Let's move. Let's move. Ready for the backside? Yes, no, maybe so.
No.
Woo! It's gonna
I
be
sure
hard.
am ready for it.
We need to get through D and E to get to our recess.
All right, so those are exit tickets.
We'll do, that's probably in here.
C is
Wait. How much am I gonna shade in up here?
1 and 3/4.
So how many holes am I gonna shade in?
1 hole and 3/4.
So 1 hole. This is 1 hole. That means Brenda ate 1 hole. ice cream, and I'm gonna shade in how many fourths? 3/4. That top number is always going to tell us how many I'm going to shade in. So 1 whole is this one, and then 3/4 is the next one.
And then you subtract 2/4.
Take away 2/4. What am I left with?
What you're left with is 1 and 1/4.
1 and 1/4. Do y'all see how we got that? We're left with, we shaded in 1 and 3/4, which is right here. Then we took away the 2/4. We took away the 2/4. That's my
And
exit.
then there's E is
The next one is a little bit easier. Hold on. The next one you could set up like this and actually work it out this way. There's multiple ways.
it's 7 tens.
Besides Daniel, how many am I going to shade in? How many parts of this?
7.
7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's so satisfying how I just colored that in perfectly. 7.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I messed up on that last one.
Oh, no.
Okay, how many am I taking away? How many pieces did I eat? Anybody? Crickets again. I guess we'll do another one.
Yeah, crickets.
We'll do another
I'm
one.
already on H.
It's actually 3 tens.
3. Wait, how many am I taking away, Daniel?
You're taking away 4 tens and you're left with 3 tens.
Crickets.
3 tens.
Oh, crickets. That's what I'm telling you. Y'all are crickets.
Yeah, we're all crickets. Crickets. I always hear crickets in the backyard.
Well, it's for me.
3, 4. How many am I left with?
You're left with 3.
Left with 3.
3, not just 3. 3 what?
3 tens.
3 tenths.
Wait. Mute that.
Ooh, there we go. Didn't I just show y'all a problem like this? 1 whole minus 1/2.
A whole minus a half is a half.
Did I just show y'all a problem like that?
Can I finish the D, E, F,
A whole minus a half is a half.
Let's see. So we're gonna shade in a hole.
Yeah, well, what I would say for F is
Shade in a hole.
half a half.
We shade in a hole and we take away 1/2. What am I left?
Hello, too late.
1/2.
It is good.
What's that, Natalie?
3.
1/2.
You take away 1/2 and you're left with 1/2. Didn't I just show y'all this problem? I was like, oh, this is the exact problem. You have your big cookie minus your 1/2. What are you left with? Where are the trapezoids? Oh, they're right here. So you have 1 hole right here, and it takes 2 halves to make a hole, right? What if I take away 1? What am I left with? How many trapezoids? Ooh, I guess we're gonna keep
1/2.
1/2. I think we're gonna.
I forgot that I was muted, and I was trying to say 1/2.
Okay, good job. We'll stop there and we'll come back and finish. You have recess until 2:05. I'm leaving the Zoom on. Got it? I need more.
Okay, got it.
Need more productivity when we get back. Ooh, Angelina did the back. Sorry, Angelina. I just saw your message. 2:05.
Yay, break.
Pieces everywhere. G&H. If you want to, you can send them to me in the chat. Let's see. Angelina got 1 and 1. All right. Okay. Angelina, keep going. Solving. The rest of y'all, I want to see your answers in the chat.
Privately?
Yes, privately. I do not need everybody seeing them. Natalie.
We start G.
On G and H.
Okay.
39 and 40. 71, 72. Ooh, good job, Emma. Keep going. Nello, keep going. I'll go over these in a second. Come on.
Do we send you your answers for G and H?
Yes, ma'am. I would love to see your answers. See that you're getting an education. The rest of y'all, Chris, Azu, Christian. I need to see your answers. Daniel, where are you at, Daniel? Dominic, Eva. It's like y'all wake up out of nowhere.
I'm here.
Okay, are you working these out? Natalie, check. Natalie, check G again. Pay attention to how much you should shade in. The top number is going to tell you how much to shade in. All right, Natalie B, keep going.
What's
Homestead.
the extra number 4?
Or did I say number 4? I said G. Sorry. Good job, Daniel.
Miss Hernandez?
Yes.
On G, what's the extra number 4?
This number?
Yes.
That's the hole. That's how many holes do you shade in?
Okay.
How many holes? Tell me.
2.
2. That means that you have 2 and 2/3. So let's work that out. I'll start working these out. So that number, and Allie asked a good question. She said, what is that extra number for? That is how many holes you are going to shade in. Did I freeze this that you can't?
Wait, what is the page? Because by accident I closed my binder.
162. Hold on, guys. I think this is frozen. Hold on. Let me close it out and let me open it back up again. I don't know why it was like frozen. Hold on. Hold on. Froze again. Lack of use. It froze. What is this? Don't do this to me. What is this image? What is going on? No, don't do this to me. Oh, I guess I could just pull it up on. Come on, beans and cheese. All right, we'll have to do this. Of course it's not gonna work, right? We jinxed it earlier, Natalie B. We jinxed it. What's today? The hover cam's not working. We jinxed it. What's today? Wednesday? Luckily, there's a mini.
I thought it was Tuesday.
It's not. I don't know that I'd make it to Tuesday.
I'm a burger.
Mm-hmm. Oh, right here.
This is my buddy.
Okay, hold on. I've got to move to the smart board. I'm moving to the smart board because
He's gonna help me with work.
hover cam does not work. Can y'all see my page on there? Natalie B with your burger. Can you see my page? Okay, perfect. I'm moving.
If I do this, it's me, yes, but the shaking right here, it means no.
All right. Let's scroll. So it looks just like y'all, except it's on this board because Larry James. No, now you're not gonna work. Come on. Really? Beans and cheese. Beans and cheese. We jinxed it. Maybe if I click it once.
I told you not to jinx it.
I know, we jinxed it. Like, normally the pin I haven't even
Okay, I'm gonna feed my burger.
There it is. Okay. On G, Natalie said, what is that extra number for? That's saying 2 2/3. So how many holes are we shading in, Natalie? Natalie.
Which one?
I don't care which Natalie. Just tell me.
Okay, 2 holes.
Okay, we're shading 2 holes. All right. And then how much on that last one?
2.
2/3. So that top number tells me how much I shade in. How many to shade? If you need notes, how many to shade? And how many am I taking away?
How
1
many?
hole and 1 and 3.
So I'm going to take away 1 hole to make it a little bit easier. I'm going to take away this one.
And then it's gonna be 1 more hole.
What?
Take one hole.
1 hole? We took away 1 hole, right?
Oh yeah, you're
Yeah.
good.
What am I taking away right here? What's left to take away?
What you're taking away there is 1/3.
1/3. What am I left with?
1.
1/3.
What? Okay, what about
1/3.
what about in the middle?
The middle, you put it with the 1.
So what am I left with?
1 and 1/3.
1 and 1/3.
That's what I wanted.
The burger says yes.
Oh, my back. Oh, my back's hurting. H. How many am I shading in on H?
1 hole and 1 on the bottom.
Not telling me how many to shade in.
I told you how to shade in.
And then
You subtract.
Okay.
and then you subtract 3.
You
4.
take away 3 from 1.
What are you left with?
Let's see.
What are you left with?
2.
Do what?
2/3. Wait, no, I thought it was 2/3, but it's actually 2/4.
What does it say? 2/4.
Because I was looking at the top.
Remember, on your test day, you can use your grid paper to make these pictures. Do y'all remember that? I'll have to show some of y'all probably.
Yeah,
Again, maybe I'll show
I
you.
remember that.
You can use your grid paper to make this picture that's right there or that picture right there.
We used it for subtracting decimals.
For decimals.
We can do I, J, K, or L. Today.
I've got to move it down. Okay. The pizza.
So are we? Yes, we are going to do I.
We're gonna do that. Nancy baked a pizza and cut it to 10 equal slices. She and her sister ate 4 slices of pizza.
So we have to take away 4.
We need to write an expression to find out how many. Write an expression to show how to find the fraction of pizza left by her. So how many total slices of pizza do we have?
10.
10 out of what?
10 out of...
How many slices did we cut the pizza into?
10?
10, right?
10 out of 10.
Yeah, these are all 1/10.
I was kind of confused on this part because I didn't actually know it's
10 out of
10.
1 and 1/10.
You
My burger is my
So we're
replacement.
trying to figure out how much is left. So are we adding or are we going to be subtracting?
Subtracting.
you
Because
subtract.
they said they
4
ate
slices.
and they're not adding pizza.
So how many did they eat?
4 slices.
They ate 4.
They ate 4. So we just had to write the expression which we will have.
And that equals the 6.
And my knowledge tells me that 10 minus 4 equals 6.
I just said that, except my burger said it. Bye-bye, guys.
Brother's probably like, what? Easy now? What fraction of pizza's left? How much pizza's left?
6.
Besides Natalie, how much pizza's left? 10?
What?
Minus 4/10. How much is left?
It's Burger, not Natalie.
Burger. No more burger. What fraction of pizza is left? Somebody besides Natalie tell me. Natalie V.
I'm a burger.
6.
It's gonna be 14/10.
I'm Natalie V.
I said 6.
I hear 6. What else?
Yeah, 6.
6.
6 what?
Burger says 6.
Slices of pizza. Or an alternate name, pizza.
Okay. Ooh, the next one. Oh, okay. So they ate 4/10. Let's shade in 4 slices of pizza they ate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did they eat more? It says, did Nancy and her sister eat more than or less than half of the pizza?
Less.
Less. Why?
Because it's not even half of the pizza. 5 would be half of the pizza.
They ate less. Yes. Less.
Yes. Burger is so smart.
Because they didn't. I guess they didn't eat 5 slices. They didn't.
Eat 5 slices, and that would be half of the pizza. But they only ate 4.
I know that's a finger puppet.
Burger is so smart.
I know that's a finger puppet, Natalie.
No, it's not. It's not even a
Pen.
finger puppet.
It's a pen.
No, it's not a pen either.
Come on. We need one.
Oh, it was a finger puppet. I thought it was a pen.
It's not a finger puppet. It's a burger from my brother's pen.
I can see it.
I knew it was from a pen. I knew it was from a pen.
Oh,
Yes.
it is from a pen, but
Because I've seen a pen like that
All
before.
right. This is your exit.
I am burger.
Pay attention. This is your exit ticket for math. I'm going to read it. And you're going to solve it.
Burger is gonna solve it.
Okay. Sylvia bought 10/12 yard of silk ribbon for a tablecloth. She used is the key word. Used 7.
Use means minus.
7/12 of the ribbon for the trim. How much did Sylvia have?
subtract.
I hear somebody say,
Subtract 7.
Yeah, subtract.
send me
Burger
your
says
answer in the
subtract.
chat.
Yes, I do
Okay.
agree with the burger.
Blurt it out, Daniel. I want it in the chat.
Burger already solved it.
Okay, put it in the chat then.
It's burger, not me.
Burger, put it in chat. Whoever is speaking, put it in.
It doesn't work with my burger.
Put it in the chat. I need to see everybody before we move on.
3. Darn it, I said it out loud.
Said something out loud, but not all of it.
I put mine
There,
in the
burger
phone
said.
folder.
Burger don't know how to touch screen. I'm done.
All right, hold on. I'm trying to put my fractions on the board.
Okay.
The screen.
It's not a friend, it's Burger. He's my replacement.
Instead of your
Yeah, you're replacing your own self.
Yeah,
I put
because
mine
I'm
in
too
the
lazy.
phone.
I'm too lazy to do the work.
All right, let me see who's gonna get to leave. Not leave. But who's gonna get to?
They mess around. I'm gonna send you right now. Sorry.
Ugh, I haven't checked. There should be like 6 of these answers in this chat at least. Oh, maybe there's more than
Burger. Burger has to be right.
that. Underestimated.
Hate Smarties.
Good job, Anello, Emma, Natalie, V,
V or B? I can't tell.
Daniel, Angelina.
I'm always
I
confused.
Why does the
when
burger
you say
care?
Natalie.
Burger should just care about his name.
Wait, did I get it? Wait, I got it right.
You're supposed to say mine. You're supposed to say Burger instead of Natalie.
I don't know. I
Wait,
don't.
Mr. Hernandez, I got it right.
I said your
Did I
name.
get it right?
Did Burger get it right or did Natalie get it right?
Right. Shh. All right. So Sylvia bought 10/12 yard of silk ribbon for a tablecloth. If she used that amount of ribbon, is she gonna get
Minus.
Is she gonna get it back?
No, she's gonna not use it again because she already used it.
So she used. How dare you?
Someone left. It was Dominic.
Of course.
Burger's getting to know everyone's names.
She used 10, 12. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it has a dot for me. She used 10, 12s. And
Where did the first two go from the 12s?
she bought, she bought 10, 12s. And then she used 7, 12s. So I'm gonna take it away. I'm gonna go backwards now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left with.
There's 3 left.
How much is she left with?
3 and 12.
So you could have done it this way. 7, 10, 12. Remember the larger numerator.
I do agree with the burger person.
Yeah, I am not a burger person. I am just a burger.
Bingo. Bingo.
That makes sense. I know I got that answer. Just that doesn't make sense that whenever it has the 2 extra, it means you already used 2.
Oh, that left over at the end? Is that
Yeah,
what
it doesn't mean that you bought 2. Like for 12, you only bought 10. It means you bought 12, but you only used 2.
Christian, where's your answer? Let's see. Oh, man, all y'all are leaving cheese. Beans and cheese. There's only like a few of y'all left in here. All right. I think we're good to go for right now. I'm trying to think.
Yes, I think burger is good.
So is that it for that concept?
Yes, burger is very smart.
I need you to get your social studies book out.
Okay.
Burger is very intelligent.
Can't get that quiz done today. We might be able to. Tell me on me.
Yeah, he's an extraterrestrial. That's why he's a talking burger.
Social studies. Get your book. We have that last page, I think, to read, right? Now we got to the last page. Moving on. Moving on. Moving on. Social studies. Let me find my social studies. Look at all these things I have open.
Why is Burger listening to help?
Thank you for rotating me.
So is that it for math?
Burger left.
Yes, that's it for Matt. Oh, I
That
got
was
y'all have two things for homework. That hurts. That hurts. That hurts. What do they say? Whoa! It's like a party. Oh, y'all wanted to see the classroom. See, there's nothing in there.
Burger's under the bed.
Y'all wanted to see there's literally nothing in there. That's kind of creepy, huh?
Why is it creepy? Creepy? We have like nothing here. It's at our house.
So like a classroom with 4 desks in it? Come on, guys. That's not realistic.
Oh, then I would just take away the desks.
And it's not empty.
Well, we had tried eating lunch in here one day, but then we kind of got in trouble. So that didn't happen anymore. I think we had one more page, right? Aren't we on like one more page? One more page of social studies to read. Let me find what page it was.
We're doing social studies now?
Yes.
Alright.
The fact that we got into social studies and science every day this week is kind of scary. I think we're on page maybe 186, I think, right? Yes, 186. 186. We'll try to get to that quiz. Let's see how long it takes us to read this. This is not social studies. Just the Chinese New Year, huh? Chinese New Year. We're learning about the Alamo. Or we're about to learn about the Alamo.
Wait, what page is it?
186.
Okay.
Are you gonna finish the story about the Alamo?
Yeah,
And
we're gonna finish it. And we'll
lesson 2?
yes. We're gonna try to get to our quiz. Maybe we'll knock that out today.
What page is it?
186. 186. What? This isn't the right page. Sweet Larry James.
Is it the red book?
Yes, the red book. Oh, if I can find the page. Beans and cheese.
It's 187. Remember?
177 for the start.
186.
I think it's 180.
No, it's not that far back. It was 186. We had started reading it and then we stopped because we didn't have enough time. Conflict. Yes, conflict leads to resolution. There it is. 186. Conflict leads to revolution. Remember they were fighting and something happened. Did somebody get killed? No. Stephen
No, I don't think
in jail,
so.
didn't they?
Is this the one you're in?
I have bad
Yes,
memory, so
that
I
one.
don't know.
That's-
Give me it, Nathan.
Okay.
One.
Fine, Nelly, I gotta
Yes, we read that. Okay, 186. Let's begin.
A new constitution. Next, the delegates needed to create a constitution. The purpose of the Texas Constitution was to explain how the government would work. It took the delegates 2 weeks to complete the document. This written constitution was one of the successes of the Republic of Texas. The Constitution was important because the laws were written down for everyone to be able to read. The Texas Constitution created 3 branches of government: the courts, the Congress, and the president. The Texas Constitution included a Bill of Rights, just like the U.S. Constitution. It stated that all people had specific rights. These included freedom of religion and speech. Immigrants were again encouraged to move to Texas. However, the new Constitution did not treat everyone equally. American Indians were not granted citizenship. Slaves were not granted freedom. And free African Americans needed permission to stay. Greenberry Logan protested. Logan was a blacksmith and a free black soldier who had been injured in the fight against Mexico. The Constitution took away every privilege dear to a free man: no vote or say in any way. Greenberry Logan. Logan participated in the democratic process by writing a petition. He did get 23 signatures for the petition, but the Constitution was not changed. Texas still had to fight for its independence. On March 4th, the convention again made Sam Houston commander-in-chief of all armed soldiers in Texas. He immediately headed south. Leading the army was one way that Sam Houston was important to the founding of Texas as a republic. The convention then set up a short-term government. The delegates elected David G. Burnett to be president of Texas. He was a lawyer and a landowner. For vice president, the delegates chose Lorenzo de Zavala. Zavala, an important and learned Mexican statesman, had helped in drafting the new Constitution. The 2 men were sworn in on March 17, 1836. Texas now had a new government. Could Sam Houston's army defend it?
Dun, 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 dun.
5. Summarize how Greenberry Logan contributed in the development of Texas during and after the War for Texas Independence. Got it? 6. Draw conclusions. Explain the importance of the Texas Constitution of 1836. 7. Identify the important
All right, we finished. Keep your book out because you're going to need your book. I need you to go into Canvas and find, I think it's chapter 5, lesson 1 quiz. I'll show you what it looks like.
Are you supposed to be able to see your screen with like studies?
Hold on. Let me see. Nope, not the right screen. Right here. Can you see it now, Anella? Yes, no, maybe so.
I was able to see the screen. It just wasn't. It didn't show the social studies page.
Okay. Social studies. Your tile. We never go into this bad boy, but once a week. Go to modules. It's the first one up there. It should be, hopefully. It says Chapter 5, Lesson 1 quiz. Can y'all see it? Should be able to see it.
Yes, we can.
Ooh, thank you, Angelina. You'll need your book because you're going to be matching some definitions, but I will help you out with some. And I think if y'all highlighted the other day, a couple of y'all have answers.
This is Canvas Chapter 5, Lesson 1 quiz.
Yes. Come on, quickly find it. So I want to try to finish it before we leave. We got about 12 minutes, maybe 13.
Yeah.
Chapter 5,
Okay,
Lesson
when do
1 quiz.
Yeah, I found it.
Okay. Click on it and let's start it together. Like always,
Question.
there's 4 questions, but 3 and 4 are matching definitions, so they're more than actually like 4 questions.
So like 2 and 1?
But you're matching, so I think some of y'all may remember this. What was another name for slaves? Indentured servants, people, dictators, or rebels?
Indentured servants.
Woo! Bingo! Do you remember that, or did you find it on the real fast?
I
remembered it.
I remembered it. Indentured servants.
That's the only thing I remember.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. When did the Texas Revolution begin?
That is why I took. Okay. Unmute it. Miss Hernandez. Did I say it right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm like half out of it right now. Okay, when he goes to modules,
Make sure he's in social studies. So at the top it should say social studies. Because if it doesn't say social studies 04 or SS 04, he's in the wrong one.
okay, he's got that, and it's the Chapter 5, Lesson 1 quiz.
Yes.
Okay. Charlie, come here. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
We said, what was another name for slaves?
Cute.
What was it, Natalie? Since that was the only thing you
I know
remember.
what 2 is.
Bingo. You can help us with 2.
2 is October. I think it was October 2nd.
Let's see. It says, when did the Texas Revolution begin? Hint, hint. There's only one date, I think, on this, or one actual date on there. When did it start? July 4th, 1776. October 2nd, 1835. February 18th, 1992. January 18th, 1942. When did the revolution start? I think Vita already answered it.
Yeah, it's October 2nd because it says I think it says Anna sent troops to Texas. This was another cause of the Texas Revolution. Fighting broke out on October 2nd, 1835.
There you go. Yeah, that's when fighting broke out. So that's when it first started. Good job.
Question 3. Find the correct definition for each vocabulary word.
There's little drop down things. So if I were y'all, the easiest thing for me to do is go to the back of the book, right? And there's a glossary. Look.
Back of the book.
Yeah, like the back of the book.
All the pages?
Find glossary. It's going to be on page it's going to say R38. We're going to find the correct definitions for each one of these.
R38.
Yeah. And you're going to have to find the correct definitions. I will help y'all with every other one, but I'm not going to help you with every single one. Some of y'all will probably be able to. Oh, Emma already answered 100% of it. Emma, what is the correct definition for tax? What did you find? Go to your back of your book and tell me.
It's a tax that the government. It's like a money that the government.
So tax, money a government charges in exchange for services. You got to click down and find it. You're going to be my helper, Emma, since you already finished.
Then can I do confrontation?
Yeah, convention. Go ahead. What is convention?
Convention is I'm trying to find it.
It's going to be R39.
Convention is a formal meeting. Convention is a formal meeting.
Bingo! Convention is a formal meeting. Oh, the first one.
Dictator.
What's dictator?
Dictator is answer to the people.
A ruler who does not answer to the people. So that means rights is what?
I got 100 too.
This was too easy.
I got 100. I just can't remember the definitions directly. Right means a freedom.
That one is
Right is
a freedom that belongs to citizens.
For y'all that are not doing it with me right now, let it be known, you don't get a passing grade when I have to turn in grades and you have missing grades. You get a 65. If you get a bunch of 65s, you are not going to pass the class. So if you're not doing it right now, think about that. There's not always time in the day for me to give you 30 minutes to do a social studies quiz when we did it together. You're in fourth grade.
Am I going to pass class?
You're almost in fifth grade. You're halfway through fourth grade, and some of y'all still don't want to do the work with me. Remember that. I don't want to hear from parents that are upset if their child fails when you have every opportunity and you don't want to do it during class. There's no reason not to do it during class. Number 4. What's a delegate?
Someone who represents other people.
No. This was too easy for y'all. I thought it would be kind of challenging, but apparently not.
Yeah, it's someone who represents other people.
Oh, I think I got an idea for tomorrow's reading quiz. I'm going to quiz you on vocabulary. I'm going to make a matching one. See if y'all can do the matching vocabulary.
Weird. These kind of questions are weird.
It's because it's got a drop down. Oh, and FYI, your spelling's going to look like this week. It's going to have like...
This is like basically the same thing, except with like a different picture. It just looks weird.
It's because I have like the pictures up there that I wanted to try matching, but your spelling's going to look like this on Friday. It's going to say, find the correct spelling, and it's going to give you like of Imagine, I think, and it's going to spell it, and you've got to find the right one in your drop down. What's a republic again? Sorry.
A type of government.
It's a type of government that like allows citizens to represent them.
Okay, y'all finish this way faster than I expected.
We have like 5 more.
I forgot the last one.
The last one is an official request.
An official
request to the government.
Y'all use y'all's definitions on these? Your dictionaries in the back, or y'all just?
I just looked
Go
at
in
my
the story.
social studies book.
Okay.
I just go inside the story, and then it shows every single thing in there.
Yeah, I guess you could have done that too, or used the back of the book. I used the back of the book when I was creating it.
There wasn't dictator in the glossary.
There wasn't?
No, there was only that.
Let me prove you wrong. It's got to be in there. Yes, it was on page R40, Emma. But if you got 100, you knew what it was. Did we finish? Because I'm gonna push submit, and that's it. And remember, if you didn't do it with us, you're not getting a passing grade. You get a 65. 65 is not passing. There's no reason to be making 70s and 60s in social studies and science when the majority of the work we do together, don't we?
It only says that.
Yeah, but some